What's up, friend? Hector here from StrongestTech.com with this week's workout of the week. Today we're going to be starting a whole new series called the Get Up series. And what we're going to be doing is breaking down pieces of the Get Up, and sometimes the full Get Up. And what we're going to do is incorporate some of the six core kettlebell exercises and incorporating them in there. This comes in very handy if you've been doing like a double kettlebell program for some time, if you've been doing a barbell program for some time, because sometimes when you're doing those programs, you can start to develop asymmetries, you can create bad habits, and you don't really realize it because you're symmetrically loaded. You've got two belts in your hand, or you've got your hand on a barbell. So this is something that I call a 4-week transition phase, and this is something that we incorporate and we include as part of our programs, whether it's here at Hardstyle or online with the Strongest Tech blog. We incorporate these 4-week transition phases, and basically what it is it's 4 weeks of cleaning up any bad habits that may have occurred when doing a double kettlebell program or even a barbell program. So inside of that 4-week transition phase, we break down, pieces of the Get Up. We incorporate swings, we incorporate snatches, we incorporate single leg deadlifts, and what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to show you how to integrate some of that stuff over the course of these next few weeks. So what we're going to do is we're going to start from the ground, work our way up, we're going to knock out some swings, work our way to the other side. Now, you want to use a light kettlebell for this. You're going to be under tension for some time, so don't try to be a hero and use like a 32 kilo bell, gentlemen. I mean, you can, but it's gonna really suck. And we want to use this as like a restorative, like a recharge, and just kind of rebuild the body after an intense double kettlebell or even barbell program. So I'm gonna use a 16 today for today's demo, but sometimes I'll work my way up to like a 24. Ladies, I recommend like 10 kilos up to like 12 kilos, because we want to take our time with this sequence. So we're going to start on our back just like we would the Get Up, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay this way, then as I work my way up, I'll turn and face you, okay? So everything, the way you start the Get Up applies here. Everything stays the same, okay? So you're going to roll to your back, you're going to roll and press, okay? Everything, all the setup applies here. Hip check, okay? I got my roll to my elbow, okay? Up to the palm, sweep, hinge, and then up. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to face you, come up, and then from here, we're going to knock out some one-arm swings and switch to the other side and get back down. Okay, so we're going to downcast it, knock out some swings. I'll probably do 5. Switch sides and snatch the bell overhead. Okay, now I'm going to get down on the other side. Here, open, hinge, step through, elbow, down, okay? Now I've got to get back up and work my way back to the other side. Boom, palm, sweep, hinge, up. I like to do this little sweep, okay? Downcast, 5 swings. Switch. Reverse lunge. All right, there you have it. Pretty simple. So all we did was break up that Get Up. Once we get to the top, working on the one-hand swing, switching, getting down on that side, then getting back up, doing our swings, switching, and coming back down. Okay? So you'll go through and you're going to repeat that for about 15 minutes. You'll rest as much as you need. But you want to do that initial get up where you get up, swings, get down. You're not going to rest there. You're going to, without breaking the get up, you got to get back up, swings to get back down on the other side. Once you've done that full cycle, then you can rest in between, basically that would be one set or one round. Then you would switch sides, start the get up with the left, finish on the right, and then come back. And you'll basically repeat that over the course of 15 minutes. If you got 20 minutes, do it for 20 minutes. But you want this to be more like a recharge. It should be just challenging enough, but you always want to make sure you have a little bit of juice left in the tank. So very simple. For over the course of the next few weeks, we're going to be building off of that little sequence, okay? So if you have any questions, you have any comments, leave something in the comment section below. If you're liking these videos, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other videos that I have on our other workouts of the week. Again, I'm Hector with StrongestHec.com with this week's workout of the week.